Page number 54. Electron microscope is the most advanced microscope at this time, and when we want to see anything more clearly, a smaller thing like a proton or electron atom, structure of atom, then we use this electron microscope. And these are very less type of electron microscopes are present in Pakistan. Light microscope is available in every type of lab. Working in electron microscope, object and lenses are placed in vacuum chamber. Here they explain about the structure of microscope, how it look like. In EM, object and lenses are placed in a vacuum chamber. Vacuum chamber is a chamber where no air is present, and a beam of electrons like this is a tube in which specimen is a thing that we want to see into the microscope, and lenses also present into the vacuum tube. And vacuum chamber or tube, vacuum chamber is the tube where no air is present, no air is present. This is called vacuum chamber. Electron pass through and reflected from object and make image. Means a beam of electron will pass from specimen or lenses and make image. Magnetic lens enlarge and focus the image onto the screen of photographic film. When electrons will pass from these lens, the image will enlarge and image form on the screen or photographic film. A computer will be also attached with the this EM. Electron microscope is attached with a system of computer, and the image that we are want to see in the microscope, this lens focus image onto the screen or photographic film. This is the working of electron microscope. Resolving power. The EM has much higher resolving power than LM. The most modern distinguished object as small as 0.2 nanometer. You can see that here is nanometer, and in this light microscope the value was micrometer. It was 0.2 micrometer, and this is 0.2 nanometer. Nanometer is so small, and 1 nanometer is equal to 1 over 10 lakh micrometer, and it was 1 over 1000 micrometer. You can differentiate between the resolving power of these two uh, microscopes. And then magnification power, EM can magnify an object about 25 2,50,000 times. 2,50,000 times magnify, yani image can magnify more than 2,50,000, and the light microscope magnify only 1500x. So this is the second difference. Third difference. First difference was about structure, working. Second of resolution, and third is magnification power. तो असाइनमेंट भी आज यही होगी कि हमने दोनों जो माइक्रोस्कोप्स हैं इनके दरमियान डिफरेंस लिखना है. So EM, electron microscope, can detect individual atoms, cells, organelles, and even molecules like protein, and are much larger than single atom. Mean that इसकी capability क्या है? EM can detect individual atoms, cells, organelles, and even molecules like DNA, protein, and are much larger than single atoms. Types of electron microscope. There are two types of electron microscope. One is transmission electron microscope, is known as TEM. TEM is used to study the detail of internal cell structure. Means we can study, by this we can easily study the internal structure of cell. And second one is SEM. Scanning electron microscopes are reflected from the metal coated surface. Means if we want to study the outer structure of the cell, then we will use the SEM microscope, means scanning. And if we want to study the internal structure of the cell, then we should use the TEM microscope, internal structure, and SEM is used for outer surface. SEM is used to study the structure of cell surface, means S means surface. You can learn it by this. S means surface, and they used to study the cell surfaces. Reflected means this is a cell if electron beam pass from outer surface and reflected back. If we want to study the internal structure of cell, then electron beam pass from the inside of the cell and give us image of internal structure of the cell. Here is the picture of electron microscope. This is the electron microscope. This is a tube, vacuum tube, and these are the systems that are attached with the electron microscope. Next is describe the history of formulation of cell theory. जस्ट इसकी मैं आपको इंट्रोडक्शन देती हूँ. Greeks were the first to organize the data of natural world. Aristotle is the scientist present the idea that all animals and plants are somehow related. So they said that cell is a fundamental unit of life, but before microscope were first used in 17th century, no one know with certainty that living organisms do share a fundamental unit of life.